Buying the busiest formula is the mistake. Your better choice depends on texture, routine steps, packaging, and whether you're moisturizing your face or body. Choose format first, then texture and routine burden. Overall pick: Medicube Daily Radiance C-Tetra Vitamin C Moisturizer. I choose this when simplifying a daytime routine matters more than keeping every product separate. It combines moisturizer, vitamin C, and SPF 30 as your final skincare step. That makes it practical for someone who dislikes stacking several morning products. But SPF 30 also creates the main commitment, because you'll need to manage reapplication as needed. So this isn't a passive apply once moisturizer. Skip it if you want an SPF-free cream or won't keep up with daytime reapplication. For lightweight formula: Glow Recipe Cloudberry Bright Moisture Cream. If thick creams make your routine feel excessive, I'd put this near the top of your shortlist. Its whipped, lightweight consistency suits buyers who want nourishment without choosing a heavier texture. The formula includes cloudberry seed oil, CoQ10, and a peptide lipid complex. So you're getting a more involved formula inside an airy cream format. The catch is fragrance, because this isn't described as entirely fragrance-free. Skip it if fragrance-free shopping is non-negotiable, or you actually prefer a dense, rich moisturizer. "4K Beauty" Medicube Deep Vita C Capsule Cream. I'd pick this for someone who enjoys the routine itself, not someone rushing through it. You start with a lightweight gel-like base and encapsulated vitamin C. Then mixing changes the product into a whipped, creamy texture before application. That format gives this pick a distinct grooming ritual compared with a ready-to-apply cream. But the extra interaction is also its maintenance burden every time you use it. Skip it if you want to open a container, apply moisturizer immediately, and move on. For dry skin: OleHenriksen Banana Bright Plus Instant Glow Moisturizer. This is the option I'd consider when a cushiony moisturizer also needs to sit beneath makeup. It combines vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, and polyglutamic acid. Niacinamide and Scandinavian berry oil add even more complexity to the formula. So its strength is doing several routine jobs instead of staying deliberately simple. That's also the overbuying risk if you only need basic moisture. Skip it if you prefer minimalist formulas, avoid layered active ingredients, or don't care about makeup primer positioning. For mature skin: Paula's Choice C5 Super Boost Moisturizer. I choose this for buyers who want a clearly stated concentration and tidy pump dispensing. It contains 5% vitamin C and can fit either daytime or nighttime routines. That flexibility helps if you want one moisturizer that isn't locked to a single time of day. The pump also avoids dipping into an open jar during each use. But packaging preference matters more than it sounds. Skip it if you strongly prefer jar creams or don't want vitamin C available across both routine windows. For body: Sol de Janeiro Biom Dia Bright Body Cream. I choose this only when arms, legs, and shoulders are the actual priority. This is a body care cream containing vitamin C and fruit-derived AHAs. So it fills a different routine role from every facial moisturizer here. Its body format can also mean a larger storage and replacement commitment, depending on how broadly you apply it. Fragrance is another clear trade-off for shoppers seeking unscented care. Skip it if you need facial moisturizer or want a body product without noticeable scent. Medicube consolidates daytime steps, while Glow Recipe prioritizes lightness. Medicube adds mixing, OleHenriksen adds makeup primer utility, Paula's Choice favors pump dispensing, and Sol de Janeiro belongs in body care. Before buying, choose face or body, then decide on SPF, fragrance, mixing, and packaging. Also check how easily the container fits your storage and travel routine. I default to the format that removes routine friction. Switch only when texture, SPF, packaging, or body care use clearly matters more. Links are in the description. Shelf care. The edit your shelf actually needs. Subscribe for the next routine sorted.